What's the word, YouTube? Back with another video. This your boy Cozy Like Cal, and today this is not 300 related. My door speakers. So Kenwood Performance Series KFC 6996 PS. And Amazon just dropped these off. I almost gave them to my neighbor, but KFC 1696 PS. PS just Performance Series, but we're gonna go ahead and get started. I ain't gonna do too much talking, but this speaker work on the passenger side. This speaker over there is blown. That speaker over there work, and this speaker over there is shot. So I will be replacing these, but these don't come until next week. But pretty much I'm not gonna record the whole thing because it's pretty much self-explanatory. So let's probably just knock this door out, which is a 6x9, and then the back of the Jeep is 6x6.5, and for the front is a 4-inch. So like I said, I ain't gonna do too much talking. Go ahead and get started. Alright, so first we're gonna go ahead and take these door panels off. So it's 3 screws, 3 Phillips screws. So it's one right here, and one right here in the door jamb. I don't know if you can see it, but go ahead and try to get these out. Put these in the cup holder, don't lose them. Can't really see it because it's dark as hell up here. That out. And once you do that, door just slide right up. Actually, let me get my trim popper tool. Go ahead and get your little trim popper tool. Get that. Boom. Little clips. Make sure you don't break it because it is plastic. This part should lift up though. I should pop that out. Straight like that. Just lift up. Got a little harness back here. Can't see it, but Slide that up. Boom. Another harness. Boom. Just like that. Put it to the side. Straight like that. Alright, we back, but pretty much self-explanatory. What the 6x9 look like. Kenwood. Go to model. Like I said, this should be self-explanatory. You ain't gotta do no wire splices or none of that, cause I ended up ordering the wire harness from Amazon. So I got these on Amazon too. Plug and play, no splicing wires. Just connect them up. Boom. But from the looks of it, these is still factory speakers, so most definitely gotta go ahead and replace these because they old and blown. So go ahead and take this off. Right here. Will be 4 screws on each side. It should pop out. Straight like that. Yeah, so factory speaker still. Go ahead and push that clip down, pull it out, straight like that. These trash, so put them to the side. And get the wire harness, get your wire harness. Now this is real simple. Your black is your negative, your white is your positive. So just gonna hook them up. And one is gonna be bigger than the other, so the positive is the bigger one. And then this smaller one is gonna be the negative one. So you just go ahead and slide that on there. What it is, but it's fire, boy. Okay, that's what it was. But straight like that. Make sure you just slide them all the way on now. And like I said, plug and play. Just like that. Up, wrong side. Plug and play. So no splicing the wires, none of that. Just slide it up in there. Just screw it back. Screw it back. I get measured. I got this bad thing I recruited. Crisscross applesauce. We ain't gonna screw it in all the way because we gotta test it before we put it all the way back in. So I always test it before you put it back in. Make sure everything's straight. Alright. New speaker in. Get back with y'all when I get it all hooked up, ready to test it. Alright, so I got the radio, the column, everything hooked up. Here you go.
Cut your fucking music down in front of my house, man.
I just wanted to say that. Yeah.
Way better.
It's pimping over
no
here.
Cap.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
Flimsy old factory speakers.
What up, Chevy?
Way
Jeremy
better.
C.
Loud and clear as day.
Carlo.
Way better.
But that's pretty much it though, man. I just wanted to show y'all that. It's like I said, it's simple. And I'm just doing little stuff to the daily until I get her back. Like I said, everything is already back at the shop. You just gotta assemble the motor together and you gotta make sure that money right. So most definitely in the past couple weeks, man, it's gonna come back together. Everything gonna get assembled. Gonna get it towed up there to 9-day performance. And then we just gonna rock out from there, man. But if you tune into this video, man, I appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe. Click on bell notification so you can stay updated to the videos. And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.